sweeter. Your tender words of love keep calling. Eager and eager.
Freeze! Gotham PD!
Yeah, I don't think so.
Are you fucking kidding me?
It had been 6 short hours since my little stun at Ace Chemicals announced to the world that Mr. J and I were donezo. The immunity I'd enjoyed for so long was gone. Cops who never would have dared come after me before were suddenly doing this. And what's worse, every person I ever wronged now felt free to come and take their pound of flesh. Turns out, I wronged a lot of people. Finally. And then, we're gonna get through this, okay? Tragedy struck. It took losing something I truly love for me to see that the target on my back was bigger than I thought.
Freeze!
With the walls closing in around me, I made a carefully calculated, highly strategic move. Fine. It was dumb luck, but still, that felt pretty great.